Let's move right on and chat levels then. And we've got Nooresh, Merani, Kunal, Bothra joining in to discuss just that. And what an interesting week it's been for the equity markets. Kunal, third straight week, biggest single weekly gain in the last 2 months for the frontline index. Bank Nifty is a different story, but what's the way ahead for the frontline index?
Good morning, Avan. So I think the start of the week was quite strong. We managed to just gain strength from the 90,400, 450 level, which was the previous week resistance of sorts for the indices. The only thing is that the markets or rather the indices were unable to surpass about that 20,000 mark. So I think we came very close towards 19,875. That was the high the Nifty made on the spot levels. The concern for the markets, of course, is what happened to the banking index or the banking stocks over the last 2 days, and that sharp selling which you've seen for banking stocks down more than, I think, 500 to 600 points from their 2-day, 3-day swing high. So I think that's the only concern for the markets on the very near term. But again, no complaints as such in terms of the market breadth. We've had a phenomenal market breadth over the last 3 weeks. And it's just improved by the day. Also, I think a lot of sector rotations, right from the defensive names like pharma towards the aggressive or the high beta stocks like realty. I think many of the spaces have done really well. But yes, the only underperforming sector in that space is Bank Nifty. Net, my expectation is that the markets would remain a bit more balanced for major part of this week. 90,500 is what I'm expecting as a major support for the index.
Okay, Nooresh, Friday we saw this entire insurance pack, all the 4 bigger ones, even the mid-cap ones, everything was firing up. Do you think insurance stocks are bottoming out now or have bottomed out? It's good to, get in there with long trades.
So, looked like a one-day move because there was no precursor or say momentum in some of the insurance name. We saw a one-day move on Friday. But structurally, a lot of these names are looking very positive. So, the topmost names continue to be SBI Life and ICICI Lombard. These are 2 names which were structurally also pretty strong. They've been in strong uptrends and consolidating near their 52-week highs and then made a new 52-week high. So any fade off and a dip over the next, say today or tomorrow, would be a buying opportunity in these 2 names. Overall, the sector has been doing well. So you have, say, some names like LIC of India, which is at the bottommost end. So that could be bottoming out, and names like ICICI Lombard, SBI Life could be making a new trend. So it's a buy on dips on that, and a contra bet would be LIC of India at this prices.